Hey smart budget savers, DIYers and fellow parents. I'm gonna take a wild guess here and say you've bought a brand new washer recently, only to have it break down unexpectedly. If so, you're not happy, I bet. Well, you're not alone. So that's why I'm here to help. I have a repair trick you're gonna love. Don't worry, it takes no tools, experience or heavy lifting. It's also safe and easy as well. Not to mention it will save you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. Whether you have a Whirlpool Kenmore, a Manna Crosley, Roper Maytag, or any other similar brand of washer, you could be washing clothes in 5 minutes or less in 4 easy steps. Try this simple hack that anyone can do, which will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Okay, enough said. Are you ready to start step 1? With the washer off, spin the control dial counterclockwise all the way around 360 degrees. Step 2. Now, within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right. Flick it back 1 notch to the left, and then 1 more notch to the right. If the lights start blinking, congratulations, you're in diagnostic mode and you're almost done. On to step 3. With all lights blinking, spin the dial 4 more clicks to the right, and hit the start button. And finally, step 4. Simply wait 2 to 3 minutes. If the lid pops open and the washer shuts down, high five yourself for me. Then try another load. If you saved a ton of money and would like to share the love, feel free to send us a donation, which will help keep the channel going for the next person just like you who needs the help. You can do this by using the super thank you button below the video. You can find this by clicking the 3 little dots below the video. If this doesn't work, be sure to check out our next video at the end of this one for an explanation of the error code process and how to read them like a pro for free. If you're gonna just buy a new washer, you must watch our other video at the end of this one for a little known hack that will save you thousands. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video where I show you how to buy a brand new washer for practically free using a simple trick you never even knew existed. Or in our error code video where we dive deeper into your washer's issues.